Good morning, Professor. Good morning, everyone. This is Nagalasya. Today, me and my team are going to present about Scrum approaches for Agile methodologies. Coming to its introduction, Agile Scrum methodology is a combination of Agile principle and the Scrum framework. Agile means incremental. It will allow the team to develop the projects into smaller increments. Scrum is one of the type of Agile methodology known for breaking down or dividing the project into the smaller units called sprints. Scrum is a framework. It will help for effective collaboration among the teams on complex products. It is a type of agile technology that includes meetings, roles, tools, and helps for to work on a complex projects and provides better structure and manage their workloads. It is more often used by the software development teams. Scrum is benefit for projects that requires teams to complete a backlog. It will divide the entire project into the smaller units. It will make the complex project easier. Coming to its benefits, the first one is flexibility and adaptability. The greatest benefit of Scrum technology is its flexibility. Within the sprint-based model, Scrum team typically receives feedback from stakeholders after each sprint. If there are any problems or changes, the Scrum team can make easily and quickly, and it will adjust the project goals during the future sprints to provide more valuable iteration. In this way, stakeholders and customers are happier because they get exactly what they want after being involved in each and every step of the process. The next benefit is it will lower the overall cost and it will provide high quality. It will give more customer satisfaction as the customer receives what they want. It will promote it will improve the employee satisfaction. Next, Scrum principles, pillars, and values. Generally, there are three Scrum pillars that include transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Coming to the transparency. Transparency simply means everyone is involved, like a customer, individual contributor, client, and the contributors knows what is going on with the product. The high level transparency in our development means everyone on the team can contribute the product development process. There will be no meetings conducted. Everybody is must involved in the entire process. Finally, transparency defines a common goal for a team and a common language for a team and regular meetings, which includes sprint planning meetings, daily scrum meetings, and sprint reviews. Inspection. Inspection in this context refers to evaluation conducted by every team member of the Scrum team. Inspection is not done by a authority like instructor or auditor. It encompasses scrutinizing various aspects such as the product process, individuals involved, tools used, practices, and opportunities for continuous improvement. Crucially, inspection lies on transparency. It will thrive a environment where all information is openly shared to each and every person involved in the process, enabling team members to assess and analyze effectively. For instance, after each and every sprint, the latest version of sprint is showcased to the client or the product owner and who provides a feedback based on the demonstration. This feedback allows team to inspect product current state and make necessary adjustments for future iterations based on the client requirements, forecasting continuous improvement. Adaptation follows the first two pillars called transparency and inspection of Scrum, but it is the main pillar that has more impact on the product. Adaptation in this context is about continuous improvement, the ability to adopt based on the result of inspection. It will also distinguish Scrum from the traditional waterfall software development. The adaptation rely on the back of one of the reasons of adapting Agile, for example, improved customer satisfaction, faster time to market. Coming to Scrum principles, there are various Scrum principles. The first one is control over the empirical process. In Scrum, empirical process is based on observation of hard evidence and experimentation rather than theory. It mainly focuses on three ideas: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. The next one is self-organization. The Scrum process relies on many individuals, include organization is essential. Everyone is involved, is empowered to work independently, and self-organization principle allows for greater buy-in among all the parties. Next, collaboration. Scrum is a collaborative process. As evidenced by many roles involved, more on that. This principle also focuses on three dimensions, includes awareness, articulation, and appropriation. Value-based prioritization. This principle involves organizing the prioritizing task based on their value and how they need to be completed. Next one is time boxing. In Scrum, there are tasks are completed in the form of sprints with specific lengths of time assigned to each one. Other elements includes sprint planning and daily meetings are given specific start and stop times. This time boxing ensures that all involved know how much time is allocated to each step while with goal of eliminating wasted time and delays. Final principle is iterative development. It speaks to understanding the project may need to be refined for multiple times during the development process. It will allow the team to make adjustments and make changes very easier. From next, Rahul will continue.